Me a karate expert. You teach woman to independent, not to depend. Woman to have them one things. Me no no money machine, she no have none.
So we link up with the boss, yeah? Peanut bread.
So, as me I show you.
I'm a rating plus tax.
Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Daily living, daily living, daily living, daily living. Thanks and praise we give it to the Most High now for we daily living. Now life is not a bed of rose, no hungry mouth dead and fi fed. So in the street we there and juggle for we bread. Tailor and the dressmaker stitch a cloth up with the thread. The barber and the hairdresser groom the hair them pan we head. Hospital them carry the boaters, doctors and the paramedics. Security forces carry the iron with a clip full up a lead and pass you over to the mortician who fix up all the dead. While peanut trade Apache peanut and I sell it. Theme daily living, daily living, daily living.
What pan this a build a concrete down the Whoop River, Natty man? Say them a black water. Eh? I stop them say them a stop water, you know.
Yeah.
And me keep telling them say when water get out of hand,
Yeah.
do not try stop it. Watch out. See him there a digging on Natty man. Right?
Yeah.
Hold on now man. The man them
Yeah,
yeah, use pickaxe where you call them now, labourer.
Yeah.
Him walk with Daniel a labourer. Look at. Hold on. Go down. Look at. Eh? The man walk with the labourer. You see?
Yeah.
If him not throw down this back side there, anyhow did and we are just twice sided there, you know.
Yeah.
But the man broad out, you know. I want to go where I'm going on my
Yeah.
bed in. And sit there and dig. The man start take the labourer, dig out the wood. God almighty, boy. I say my rate nature gone to bed. Come again. Come again, let me show you. Come.
See it here? One ton no.
The water, his rule, all blood, it is in old fire burn money. Church, right?
Yeah.
This a piece of the blood clot church where the man spend millions of blood clot dollar to make the church, right? Say, water get out of hand to ras clot. When the man, kiss me ras, so house dig down. Hold on. The man for this church. When the man see the water come and dig out the whole of hand at the bumbo clot bottom. And she say look like he out to go. The man say, anyhow it go, me I go to. Me not go think me I go keep up with this. And he and the man run go sit down in a Natty.
Yeah.
Believe in the foolishness when I talk about God. Right? Say, Fanny run go sit down in there. God must we save it. My brethren, the man park the car out of the road to Rasclat and run go back to church, go sit down and say if the church go away make sense, me go away too. When the people them see now, he mean there, and the church really are go away, and the people them run in there, you know, Natty, and go draw out the money, you know. Yes? Yeah? See piece of blood clot, yeah. You see how the man say, hold on, you know say some people is like that. Say he prefer dead. One lose hurt not set. Lose hurt bad.
This what them do build something here so?
They not build them a build so them a stop water Natty man. And anyhow, when them then take the water put in at the dam to serve the whole of Kingston, you see, Jesus have mercy, God is one of the wickedest river this ever exists. Come boy, see the bridge, yeah?
Something dead down here, man.
Yes, I'd be a dead sin. Be a dead sin, Peter. Rasta. I'm going to show you now. The human being. Nothing is not here. Right? Who don't believe? Who want to believe? Who don't want to believe? You see, the concrete part, amazing. Right?
Eh?
The concrete part
Yeah.
is mason to the concrete.
Yeah.
You understand? But you see the high on them. But in of them 1, 2, 3, 4 bracket, right?
Yeah.
You see high on them in it
Yeah.
is not human being buckle them up here. Whether you want to believe or not. It buckle up by 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock. No workers no see when them a bridge make when certain iron a buckle up, yeah? Yes, sir. Said like how them have combination into what you call valves, right? You have some combination where it's speak, you have to speak, you know. Yeah, it is not spin, you spin,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
touch.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah. It is talk you talk. And things happen. Yeah, at their power technology. Yeah? Good. So all of the big bridge, me can be proven. Yeah? And when me investigate, me find out the backside. Then as a large people them affected man. Right? Yeah, you call him occult secret, right? Yeah, you call him mechanical harder boy. Yes, we ask spiritual powers, favor and get it done because it's two elemental creation we call them physical and metaphysical. We don't know nothing about the metaphysical harder. It's only the physicalness we know about, right? The higher leader them know about it. And them take spirit in a boy, carry every weight from miles over the sea, be messenger for them, yeah? And foretell things to them where you wouldn't understand. So not take them your normal, yeah boy? Come again. Yeah. Yeah, we go for a week, right? This is what for a bridge.
Hold on, fire. Yeah, let's sit down.
Yes, I walk River Way now. This is Walk River Bridge where people from downtown to Pakin to Standpipe, they had to pass through. This is one entrance, you know, right? Not two, no, to carry a two pass, Dallas, right back to St. Thomas. Yes, sir. Terrible bridge, boy.
So,
Terrible bridge, man.
alright, so
Come, we have our lives on God.
I go up in there.
Yes, I saw the ship them in sail. Yeah, in a hour time. Right through the valley, I see that tall hill there.
Yeah.
And that tall hill over there, so right up there, so the sea did come. Come, let me show you which part it did stop. We have a right up there. So may I tell you how time decrease and how time change. Things just remain one stages, you understand? So see when it changed to you now. You know time when the river running no matter. See why you think nature run the river through every district and run through the place. You can bathe, you can catch fish, you can wash, you can, and it will rise the water so fast people can hop there so bathe, you know. And you down here so catch water if you go drink. And it not do you nothing. Yeah? Because the sand, the woolly passion here. By move from up there so to down here, so the whole of the drum to rise nice and here you yeah, yes, my brethren. And when you take a stop, man, she said the hurt goes from people them and take it, put in a pipe iron and I demand paper from the people them. Oh God Almighty, what they can't find. The river should have on a roll Rasta, you know how much man don't hide in a bush and watch all woman a bed and a getting kicks. You must think of blood clot. Yes, man, God, he can't get them so easy. Right? A woman hide watch man, you know. A man hide watch woman to in a boy. You still get your blood clot. Every kind of blood, the amount of woman when I'm down here watch. And a bed. You understand? Yeah. And if you don't mind, man come down here and get all them fucking a bush there. You understand? And them block off all them the blood clot pleasure. By take the water and send it to blood clot over in a dam. And a collect. And the river no collect. Oh God.
River a big still in a fire.
Hey, Natty, cool no man. Cool no man. Cool no man. You hear me say out of well, there's no water. Look how water in the flow in the water here. Right? Don't we send it go show them? Eh?
Yeah, ready.
And look, people who don't look here now. Right? The same river.
Last week.
The same river where we are show them with water flow. So we are walk night and see them and tell them, you know, say it only when rain fall and the thing overflow. You understand? Water run night, but look. If we ever ride the railway, that's why people in come down in night can live, because when they come here, then
that's the land.
Yeah, and them you know what's the first year and the place where people them live, they can't live there. So over the leader them, so they run them down at the riverbed and when they come and see no water, they say, oh God, they feel comfortable. And, yes, and make house near, right? And then when nature ready to take his course, you see, Jesus God, that be a morning. I'm bawling to rascal. God, right? Yes, weeping, wailing, mourning, right? Oh, the humbug, boy, look at that. The sea journey we have come from in a Whoop River Rata. No water, eh?
Alright, fine. Let me show you. So.
No man, let me show you. Right up there, so ship them usually coming on at it. Look at them stone there. The more make it look like a stone no life. You see, you ever seen a stone big so anywhere beside riverbed, boy? Eh? They find them and get them water in and now then grow. Look at Natty. Eh? Eh? Moving bumbo cloth, watch for the monster man. Eh? Jesus God, him grow. Man, you see them here. They want get them water, see them here. No way. You can't see stone big to bumbo cloth, so no boy. Right? Because water is life. And they might get them water. You understand nothing? You see for that the man them bury under the earth and a feed from nature with me and you. Hold on there.
Oh wait. Further up.
Eh?
Further up.
You think so?
Yeah man. Okay sir.
You think so?
Yeah man.
Look on the monster them there down.
You must say you have some stone with something drop on it too.
No man.
And near someone, the stone.
Mother did them man.
No man, the right side of lies and good. She did them man.
Come, make we see what.
But the thing them drop on the stone.
Make we see what going. No man, I'm not so far. You know,
no, but you will see it, you will switch by the hill, the valley.
Now we see lies and go down.
Okay.
See lies and go down. We need a gully. Come out.
Right now, you can't, I saw. Yeah.
Yes. Like this part, you know, the gully. Come out now the river, there's some here and him now. You have to go back down, walk over that side of the car. I'll go by yourself. I'll go over that side here. Lies and go there.
Run here, so. Go so.
Yes, man.
You walk so and go around there.
Me have to search for myself.
Yeah, because the wheelie corner here, someone. Right over there, so.
Oh, yes, true.
Yeah, it's the wheelie corner.
True.
So you run a son yam down. Cockfight tree fire.
Yes, you know about it.
Yeah.
Oh, we have got school, you know.
Cockfight.
Yes, you know about it.
Yeah.
The pretty Rasta. What a sweet pretty Rasta man. My back foot have good flowers, man.
Cockfight tree.
Yes, cockfight. That's how we call it. Maybe some. The right name for it, maybe we don't know, you know.
You picture your ball, look like you have nest in there. In Russia, you know. That boy rushing the fire.
Hold on. Where in there?
See picture up at that there.
Where you quarrel for? Where you quarrel about? I mean, you see, they won't pay your mouth up and so.
Probably have nest them, man.
Yeah. So then go on.
And we touch here, you know.
Well, I know, so then go on, Natty. Let me really see how go on. Lord. Oh. Then no pride. He mouth up, wipe the only mouth up. But me not see them nest.
Probably have it nearby, man. That's why my ball out and make you know, say.
Then tasty.
And it's sting, you know. Touch you with them beak, you know. Mm. Yeah, man, see, go sit there right in the corner there, so. Right in the corner. Around there, some. Like people live down here, man. Alright, in I groove or someone. Yeah, music up to a Willie there. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yo, go and complete one brother and come make one house right there, so you see.
Yeah.
And the main shoot him.
Oh, Nado. Yeah. I know this over by the side.
Where?
On the side.
No, man.
No, alright, on this.
No, man, right in this, man.
Yeah?
Yo, somebody says, come here, boy.
Yeah, Carl, remember.
Go here, I want to tell you about. Alright, that's how you ship them usually come, Natty. Right, that's right. Right, that's how you ship them usually row. From down in the sea come. And come load material from Yasso. Because hope flat, you know. Over there, the mine them they seen.
Yeah.
Yeah, and in a then time there, Yasso the ship them come from dock up. We collect the material and row right through the Farroya, go back out.
Taba view.
Yes, sir. And gone to Rockstone. So them a place a history place. So you're not it. Come and make me show you something now. Come and sit here. See like and go there. Natty. Right?
A long time I don't come up in place in the fire. I used to come here come swim with me a little boy, you know. The water used to run straight.
Ah, look on them, Estonia.
White.
Jesus God Almighty. You know, see water alive. Eh? Look at now.
It take too long for come, because probably would have come catch little water up there. You know?
No, but water, man, but a further up.
We don't go so far up in that place.
Hold on, man, let me show you. I want you to come up and see how we are staying on again, Rasta. God, blood clot now. Right now, I want to come up here and see how life is now. Again, blood clot, Rasta. So you know, so well, them hurted life. Look at one at it. Eh? Eh? Blood clot.
Remember them all there,
Eh?
Cha-cha.
You know, she said, you have someone, we are caveman, you know.
Yeah.
We can't live, right, we are going to go further up, let me show you which part, but we live on that one. You think you reach now yet, boy?
Oh.
Eh? Watch that, come with me. Come with me to the hospital, yeah? And I tell you, say, if you really want it, you see, and decide to hide, you see, them not place, I see. No police, no find them so easy.
You find him, man.
Then we find them.
Yeah, man.
For technology, eh?
Go on. Go and get the intel for you.
Eh?
You only want to get the intel for you and you're gone. Take your by night.
Alright, see water start, yes or no, maybe?
Yes, the water, yes, sir.
Yes, man.
There's some little ticket. See something that you show me there, right?
Alright, see there, see it butterfly and biting Bobby there. Anyway, water there, him be life. Yeah?
Yeah.
Them they not just come, just have water build them, you understand you? So I may prove to yourself water is life, and see them, yeah? Alright, maybe we go back on some more.
Oh, so the Elias now, right? So the thing there, you know.
Hold on, no, man.
Climb up the fall. And the first fall is.
Come no man, let me tell you something. When we go over here, you see?
Yeah.
The man them say me bumbo clock, you are a real thief, you know. How you bumbo clock kind of go over this blood clot, boy. Eh? Take ya. Well, hey, you can hold it full, you know.
Yeah, that's how we used to swim.
How was at you?
Yeah, we used to swim right there, so.
You remember it?
Yeah, man.
That's how watch out. Kiss me ras clot.
But it get deeper. Cause we could have climbed go up the sun, remember them time there, fire? Can't go up the sun now, man. Can't go up the sun, fire. Oh yeah, I done it done right just for you, know. Then, no, watch it now. Watch it now. Yeah, so it dig out, man, the ground dig out, cause when we use the compressor, we could have climbed, go up there, and go up on the second floor, up there, so. Which fire or what go up there now? Eh? Eh? As thief as he is, you can't.
The rock stone. That's that. Look all over here. The fence it never pull long for job down. Fire. Hold on.
Boy, I can't climb that fire.
Hold on, no, man.
I just say journey stop.
Me remember. Me kind of remember this step, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man. Me kind of remember this step, man.
No, but watch this fire. You see all them part there? Them part never dig out, you know.
No, I don't lie, man.
Cause we could have go up there easy. Remember, we could have climbed the fall, but.
Yeah, man. This step there still, you know. Cause you see us so. Are you up at it?
No. Yeah.
See step here.
Yeah.
One step here so.
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
Right there so.
Yeah.
Three. Right here so.
Yeah.
Four. Right here so.
Yeah. And hang on. You hang on up there so now.
Yeah, you can hang on up there now. You see?
Yeah.
Good. See it again. You can't pull out that, you know.
No.
No.
Solid as a rock.
And when you reach the sun, you can hold on up there so.
Yeah.
Right?
And go round.
Take time and walk go round, me brethren.
Yeah.
Yeah, but there's no place for me.
Yeah, I know, I used to climb it, you know. Yo.
Fire. Remember me stepping up.
Fire, we used to climb it back in the days, man.
Remember me step them, you know. See it? Right here from me wall. See it? You can't draw out this blood clot. See it? See, if you hold your so again, you can draw it out, right?
Yeah.
You rest your foot right there, so now. But it nah bend.
To the foot now bend.
If right foot nah bend, a bumbo clot, not it.
Man, get stubborn.
Make it again. You understand?
Yeah.
Oh God. Once a man, twice a child. When me show man, me don't walk it show you for show, you know.
Me know, but I want to go up there still, cause me know, we used to go up there back in the days now, but it get, boy, look challenging here now, Virgin.
Rasta, I buck for buck yourself.
Boy, no.
You know for the gully gun when me don't want to go over there.
We up. Two more, I think we have two more of this to climb now.
No!
How much?
This is the wickedest one.
Oh,
From you go over that one, yeah?
You're good.
You can go straight down to Dallas Spy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That one, yeah, the terrible one. This name Lies and Bumbleclad got here.
Yeah.
Lies and got what, sir? What pan got where you have, sir?
What a goat.
Look how the blood clot. See them tall over it, not a man. Eh? Look all there, sir. Look there.
Along in the valley with there. It's like, and I belly at the beast today. No?
Jesus Christ, he said, Dex, oh, me can't get to go further, you see, man.
Judge.
Can't come up here to go further, no, but
Yeah, me think we could have climbed over this, man.
I see.
Yeah. We'd have to get that, watching the fire, we'd have to have a ladder. We'd have to have a ladder, a long ladder to climb up. Catch it just and set him up there.
Yes, if we have ladder, you know.
But I forget him up here.
Watch how the water cut out the gutter in the sun, Natty.
Smooth.
Look there.
A water cut it, you know.
Then a water cut it, so man.
Man, a knife, brother.
You think you go up there now? You know, see we can't go up there.
We can't stop, stuck. Watch out now, all them buckle, watch out. A water, they up there, so make them buckle there, so you know.
You think
A
so?
water put them up there.
At you?
Yeah, when the water bungle up, when the water run the right way.
When the water
run
run up the right
do
way,
it.
not yet. And
See them there? Watch out fire. I buckle them there, you know.
I see it. Let me see
I be a buckle, you know, so I think.
A
water.
human being
No,
show them
a
the
water.
naughty man.
The water climb go up the dash them up there, you know.
Bumbo clot. So you see water no carry germs because the sea push out every rascal thing.
Yeah.
When you go down at my place, well, I'm not going this and that's another bag.
Mine are heading on fire, what you do?
No man, me no covered man. Bumbo clot, how this about
Huh?
I rubbish man.
Rubbish.
Them pack up rubbish in the dash.
Oh. I book up on my head in the thread.
Then no man in dead to blood is dead. You can't whatever.
Yeah.
Eh?
Watch you know, all them tree they grow in the rock, you know. You see fire? Them tree they grow in the rock itself, you know. In the rock the man them grow it, you know. Eh? Yeah, no, alright, so it's stop, man.
No, see one hole like that.
Yeah, but it not gone far.
Like
Me I
so-
tell.
Eh?
It stop. Yeah. It not gone far. Mm.
What is this? What a mystery. Eh?
Yeah.
What a mystery. We can't go no further right
We can't go no further, yeah, so you think stop.
you know, man, because
You don't want to go up and...
yeah, me want to go, but there's no way now. Right?
Yeah.
Jesus, God can do something go so. Eh? Well, on. That's all.
Huh?
Alright.
Where? That side there?
Oh, right, that's all.
No, man, a challenge,
Hold
man.
on, and then tree and go round.
A challenge said you fire.
Jesus
Cause
Christ.
watch you know, if you go up, I know the problem, you know. I have to come back down. Yeah.
We couldn't
Go-
come back down here, so you know.
Going up,
Road up, so you know.
Going up
We
is-
come down like go lane and
going
we
up
could
is not the problem, man. Coming down are the problem.
Hold on now, man.
Cause if you know mark your
We
step, you
don't
know.
have to go up on the track them, we go to the
Watch me.
road and we walk.
When
so
them say when they
now
are
upon
climb
the
tree,
road.
the same step where you take go up.
You stay there, you think that you have blood clot, you're dead, not right.
I did- Yeah.
You don't get fuck God blood clot, no. You have to try to retain.
You have to mark it, man.
Yes,
You have to mark your steps, them, you know.
yes, but yeah, so we don't work as far as out me see it now.
Based on your foot play where you have there.
Yeah, man, yeah, so don't work.
You say your foot could have managed also.
Yeah, man, yeah, so don't work.
But fire, as me tell you, you know, going up is not the issue. It's coming
No,
back down.
man, you can't come down back easy, man.
That's all?
Yes, that's how it's the bamboo clad place where you have to go walk. No.
That me now go up there, you know, so it don't make no sense.
Wait, no, man, more try something, man.
You know why you go too far, because I'm not going up there. You hear, sir?
Cool, I'm a virgin, man.
You hear me, I want you? Yeah, you're good there, sir. But,
Oh, man, that is making our road.
yeah.
Right,
So you say if you make all a careless ball pan that, now what tree to ground?
No, man, sit there. Easy step, sit there.
Fire K.
If I'm over there, so now, I can't want to go up there now. I can't want to go up there now and walk right blood clot round, see there?
Yeah, but me not go up there. You alone I go up there.
Gone and go right blood clot round, you think me joke? Yes, man.
And at this now, the monkey them you talk about, the man run up this like a dung hill, man going up.
You fucker, you can't challenge him. You can't challenge him from climbing. Come on. I see the easy step down, Natty, man. That's some, me don't go right round now, you understand? Yeah, cause Missy said, we couldn't make it, yeah, so.
And go round.
Yeah, and go round.
See.
And fuck with the blood clot soldier, yeah?
Well trained.
You were man and you know wear shoes. I real monkey. I real blood clot monkey. A monkey no wear shoes enough. He will slide.
Yeah.
What? When him lap,
But fire, different, you have to dig out. You see over the ears, when the water shoot down, it dig out the ground. That's why it gets so deep, you know. Because it's easier to go up and there.
Yes, man.
You know, she say it a near amount, man. Alright, watch out. Look up here, so. Aya.
I saw you usually stay.
Yeah.
I saw you usually there. It did the
You
right.
want to let up the saw. Dig it out.
You. For sure you see no liar. You see right.
You see mark in there. Yeah, where you see mark in there, so. At this, so.
It grew up on green there.
Yeah. And this, so it did there now.
It did there now.
But I dig come down because to the constant water beat around over the years.
Thank you.
Near amount.
Look on the bungalow sand very nice and that, you know.
Yeah, man.
But you get
You
it.
can't get it. You have to go carry sand on your head till you're weak.
Man, that's that.
See?
And the water run upside now when I want to go see swims Janga.
Sure.
You know, it, you know,
But you know, say if we come here last week, we'd have catch water, yeah, so. We'd have catch the water,
yes.
you know, dry up.
Yes, when the storm blow, right?
Yeah.
But there's some man, but beg so you no bomb clot active, and you're not playing with me because if I wouldn't climb it to bomb clot and come down over there, you know.
Yeah, but you have to go too far to come back down, man. And we up in a blood now constitution, you have to go.
You think so?
Yes, man. You know which part you have to come out back.
No, man.
You know which part you are going up? You know the gully? Watch you know? You see the gully which part them dash the rubbish up and it up there, so? Because when we climb right there, so you know.
Yeah, man,
Alright, watch you now. Fire. I wheel it this way, you know. I wheel it backyard this right there, so you know.
me no busy, me see the trap, man. Me see where me down go. Now walk right this and go. Straight blood clot round and come down. Yeah, but just show me it no call for. Right.
No.
You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You alone that take on a journey.
If you did call for, man.
Yeah, you no call for.
Man love competition, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Like how me see, you have to stay now, you see.
Yeah, you're fine in the road.
How with the blood clot, do you think me I come here and buck?
Nah, buck.
And me not go back, so. God blind tiger to blood clot, me find somewhere. Right? If you come out of that, because if them in back you up down, so no
You have
man
to
you
slide.
can't run go back, so you see.
You have to buckle
and
up.
yes, so you come and get away. And if you go back, so you know, so well, then them a go buckle you. Right? Kiss me ras clot, me and you say, you know, Natty. I mean, now go back, so. And then three them, you hold on for nothing, you know.
Yeah, man, you go get you, man.
Not you.
You go get you.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Them time you see, when trouble take you, when trouble take you, see the way, you know, it come
Oh,
easy.
you know.
Yeah, man, you start to step them easy. Your brain start going overdrive, you know.
I know you're saying them. So you start to step them easy. You start to step them easy.
White limestone.
Hey, some man, hold on, pal, you wish I know.
And go up.
And with the blood clot, you're right here, so. Hey, then we start trying, you know, boy. Right. Blood clot, we say you can't bust it down in my bedroom.
But fire, if you even get that and make something with it.
You know, see a rope.
A rope.
This man,
A rope that in a man.
What?
A rope.
You know, see a bumbo clot rope, not your man. You know what Tarzan show, man, and see, I didn't see anything here. In open, man, you can't bust this, you know. If you can't climb to blood clot, you see. Go straight up on it, we're ready, man, if you can't climb. You sit there. Sit there.
Yeah.
Sit there.
And at your man locks. Come here, can be a fire. Mine him give way, you know.
You can't pop this. Me not tell you, man. Pop what? Straight up, them you go, you know.
Yeah.
Me not ask you. Me not ask you.
Man locks tall, you know.
You feel about what?
What your man beard, man? In fire? Watcha. Man beard tall from up there come a ground, you know.
It name pudding with.
Pudding?
It's scratch.
I saw.
You see scratch out your ass.
I courage.
It's not bad as courage, but it's scratch. But I want medical with. You see them two, yeah?
Yeah.
But what you me say? It don't carry up so much away, you know. Right up there, right there.
Hey, man, Natty.
And climb and go up there, you know.
The man build a rope and send down gear, you know.
You bust your ass. It says straight up there. Me go on if you did plus water. See I go on there around here with it.
And tie up over here, so you know.
Yes,
You come
man,
tie up.
You catch them here. Right, sit there. You Pop your ass. Pop what? Alright, so you get that one now with this now.
No, but it connect over here so too. Let me try to show you.
Say you know just chop it, man.
Yeah. A tree that.
You have 3 of them, man. 3 blood clot up there, Natty.
Yeah.
And come down on the road.
And gone up so.
Yes, man. Look, then you okay now.
Why the man ain't send down them locks come on ground, come get to her heart.
Sir.
And I give you leather.
You leather, yes, man.
Alright, fire, see that one there? If you could have catch that one there, you could have got all the way up at the top. Cause it over, it out of the road, out of the stone it come from that thick one there.
Where is that?
See it over there, so. He gone way up, you know, say if him they come and look come where you catch him. And just go upon him.
But in traffic.
Rotten it rotten, man.
Right, but I don't want you to love, you know, right there.
Yeah.
The blood clot was just straight.
And then that tree you can't tear down so easy because in the rocky road there, you know.
What, man? You don't know that. Look here. You don't want no them hold the fucking rock, man.
But they say the man boy go down in the rock, man, and plant himself, man.
See there. See there. You don't want no bomb clot more on this no boy. Right, if I you can always your foot on it. We start off the blood clot, right? Straight up the thorax clot, not with heels. With heels, because enough where you can lock in bomb clot. So, see there. Make sure. See there. You make sure. See there. And you make sure.
Well trained soldier, man. A well trained soldier, man. And gone.
Straight up the blood clot. See me not a joke.
Jaja.
And escape.
Yeah.
Them have to say wait. When you want to get away. When they come back all the wish you then say No sir, me nothing I eat. Go up on you know. And I eat the pork and go up and gone. But them can't manage, you know.
You wonder where the rampus walk?
Where blood clot cat get to a gone, man.
Can't believe the rampus slip them that way there.
No, and then climb to his blood clot. And gone over in a valley.
Don't play the rampus, you know.
Never see him again or rat clot.
One rampus, man, and him for know, you know.
Right up there, Natty.
Jaja. Boy, fire, man, I tell you. I hear me not come and say no virgin.
Watch out.
Huh?
Watch where water do again.
I'm more than...
The water backs out the whole of the rubbish.
I'm more than 20 years, me not come and them blood not place.
That's all.
Yeah, man.
God, what is that? The people them dirty shit them. That's why, you know, when the pipeline them cock up, you see? And the river and the water push out the rubbish them where the people them empty in them and cock up all of the line. Government them a look to now, right? And then is not government do it, right? There is the one who to dig a pit and dash all plastic and all buckle and light them a fire and burn them. You don't dash them well because plastic take years to really disaster, right? Yeah, so you don't have to put rubbish at your fucking gateway, you know. No, you dig a pit, dig a pit, dig a pit, and every rubbish you have, you empty down into it. And then when you see dry time come now, and then well dry, you just light them. Every damn thing burns straight down to ashes, brother.
And gone, bro.
And gone, and then you can't pull them again, right? If you feel empty, that just ashes, and if you dig it big enough, you don't have to take out no fucking ashes, yeah, boy?
I heard I eat it up.
Years. Yeah, people pack up rubbish. I put at them gate and I dash in at the gully them, and I dash in at the river. And see it there? Oh God, look there, Natty. Every action is a reaction, you know, man. So when the water come down now and water down there, thinking, and go pack up the fucking tunnel them, tunnel them, where they have to put water. And then black, so they must get one again here, to really get them clean out, right?
Yes, so lies and good fire. Eat this.
Yes, man.
Jaja.
Yes, man. What you rasta? What on the monster, Natty, man? Eh?
Yeah.
What a solid sitting in there. Boy, hurt a mystery to back foot in okay, man. As I say, look where the tree them sit down in the rock, them Natty. You see how the tree root them anywhere like a crazy is there now.
Mm.
He might find him on board to him rasta man. Eh? And look how tree roots are. And look how rock tough. And when him ready to grow, the man pushing virus them to rock, stone, chew, creases and corner and bend up and go anyway. Before saying wrap around so I 3 times and shoot again to find.
To catch root.
I'm a search, you know.
Yeah, man, I search,
To
man.
find something else, somewhere to shoot to, you know. Right? So, if him buck pan rock, so,
Yeah.
he start go around it.
Make a circle around him.
Yes, I search just to find a way
To shoot again.
To shoot again.
Mm.
So, sensitive master hurt no easy.
A papa this? Oh.
Trumpet.
Trumpet.
Yes, and as you talk, you know, you know, say, as you talk, you see, from the phone now, you know, see me come over there and I feel pick some of you.
What?
You know, see, the next door, where you there?
Mango?
The next door neighbor where you have, you know, remember, see that tree you see there?
Oh.
You remember?
Okay.
The trumpet tree.
See. See water running so too. What is good for?
Well, me hear some information about it here, me don't remember. But me say me right, me don't know so good. I never know so good at all because they might give me some advice about trumpet leaf. If you drink it, it is for this, it is for that, it is for this, it is for that. And I say, what? How would you ask? Oh, that's why, what way it go? This way it go though? Oh, fuck.
Surround himself around beer rock.
Eh?
Yeah. Yeah, you know, so I get a oil nut link for your fire. You know, done? Oil nut. Yeah. Now, my brother, you know, say he wants some for buy. You know?
It's hard, man. Me no know nothing about them sitting there after no make it.
No, man, me I talk about the oil nut tree, the plant itself. You know, have none of the, you know, forget none of the something.
The sucker?
No, the little ball them, where them pick.
No. Me no have no time to look about them, they sit there for nobody. He must go bumbo class look about them, they sit there for each other. God no. Yeah. If me feel look them, they sit there. After myself, and
Yeah.
me don't have to go deal with it because I saw the money they on it now. If
Yeah.
you can process it.
Yeah,
Yeah, but if you get the seed and sell that one,
yeah.
the money when I want to give you
A joke thing.
joking. Understand that?
Yeah, yeah.
Rascal. So, what young down the hole in it?
Mm-hmm.
When they don't swim their fish down in it.
No, sir, I be a little black bug them. So I said them I use for the one now.
Them here?
Yeah.
Oh, the rascal. You may give me bush after someone income.
Yeah.
Right, because last night, boy, You are just, you can understand people. Because, see, mad. But you have to know how to deal with mad people also. Because them fuck up, them good, them fuck up, but you can't have them around you. But you have to have tolerance, no bomb clot and wise, Natty. Just hear the top down. Natty, you're not going to keep him around you, Because some people kind of, there's no good neither. If you have people with bad him.
Want you.
I'm going to look at bad race and you have to win. You see, if you know tolerance to rascal, a prison all them place, I'm going to go learn everything and jail.
Fire.
Eh? What you say? Yeah, so we don't need that again now, right? Yeah, so enough more left to come in on my brethren. So who don't listen on my fans, right? Be not dead.
Shaping in iniquity and conceived in sin, but at there's some everything begin. Stand from prayer, fall and friend, no one stand, go astray, negative, we start living. Now buy me for reach 15, now a fat grab a spliff. At Guinness when me start sipping. Girls black or brown, anyone test get rolled down, testosterone start chipping. Now the school me used to go, now the motto is Angie on the moment we just step and up and pushing. Like Mr. Vladimir, we are barred, so mute when no fear, cause them serious like Putin. Over Michael place, we go watch Killer and Scarface. Youngsters show, we no watch cushion. Me know every weed base, man no feel Nannyville top range. Vegas and back bushing. Round a gym was a turf. Been up in a war with Smurf. Two old ragamuffin. Now Smurf puff him chest on the spot. Then been up go wheel off and dick a shot. Never bluffing. The abandoned house round the road. Now with the weed pon the board. Every day the chalice puffing. Then police get a call and run in pon the scene. One day put me in a handcuffing. Oh Lord, I'm here and go ball at the altar. Jah here and go ball at the altar. Oh Lord. Oui. Police get a call and run in pon the scene one day. Handcuffing. You go in at the school and search any man, you must find a tool. 3-star, I speaking. And the sneaks where we like them that days, every man now wear Nike. So the shoes full of beer ticking. Me ever strap with the poke. In my face no guy could do real up. Got them know say me a no chicken. Me no KFC, no boy could put them on in my face. Me no work with finger licking. Me ear tall and in a tam. Could get fi do no exam. Grades them never clicking. Me black rat and brown mouse. Down the classroom them in a gambling house. Yard pack, deck sticking. Some of the dogs them turn fraud like the ones them where you play the trick yard. All when you watch them you get tricking. We bad like renegade. Me never even finish 10th grade. Out of school now me get kicking. Oh Lord, I'm here and go ball at the altar. Jah here and go ball at the altar. Oh Lord. Oui. Never even finished 10th grade out of school, now me get kicking. Now me and tell you it straight. Don't think say you fabricate. Me and tell you a true story. Miraculously, me see Christ change my life, so you know say you in me and give the glory. You hear me now? Serious and me nah give no jokers. Me no Cedric and me no Bernie. It's Elijah again. From half of the belly now my boss. Me a take you for a little German. Man so no follow my grab. Because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney. No follow my grab. Because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney. No follow my grab. Because I'm quick for draw, but me for study law. Try to be an attorney. To go through life, she try to teach me the easy way, but at the hard way, me go learn it. Oh Lord. Yeah man, so me I implore to every ghetto youth. Say out of every choice, best one of choose Christ. Because gangster life is nice. You may never live to tell a tale, but you will definitely pay the price. Lied you again. Them say Elijah is a prophet, but Damien not the devil. Chariot of fire, Elijah caught up in a heaven. Now Damien used to link with Tommy before him in a grade 11. But them push down Tommy over greater than a the 7. Ooh, Lord.